Hey everybody, it's I Want to Be Retro. Today we're going to take a look at flashing Tasmota to the Sonoff S31 Lite smart plug. To complete the flashing, we need to download the Tasmotizer app from GitHub. We'll also need to download the USB to serial device drivers. Navigate to your downloads directory and extract the downloaded driver's zip file. Next, right-click on the Start button and select Device Manager. Locate the USB to serial device under Other Devices. Right-click on it and select Update Driver. Select the Browse My Computer option, then browse to your Downloads directory and select the folder of the extracted zip file. Verify the Include Subfolders checkbox is checked, then click Next. Once the driver is installed, click Close. Take note of the COM port that the USB device is using, then unplug the USB to serial device from the PC. The next step is to disassemble the Sonoff smart plug. Pry off the plastic ends and remove the 3 screws holding the plug together. Then wire the plug to the USB to serial device as shown in the description. After triple checking that the wiring is 100% correct, plug the USB to serial device into your computer and fire up Tasmotizer. Set the COM port, check Save Original Firmware, check Release, and click Tasmotize. Backing up the stock firmware takes several minutes, then you'll be prompted to power cycle the plug. To do so, unplug the USB to serial adapter, and then plug it back in, holding the button on the smart plug PCB. Flashing Tasmota to the device only takes a few seconds. Once it completes, unplug the USB to serial device and plug it back in. Once the plug is powered on, connect to the Tasmota wireless network. Then open a web browser and navigate to 192.168.4.1. Enter your wireless network SSID and password and click Save. The plug will attempt to connect to the network you specified, and if it connects successfully, you'll be redirected to the Tasmota web UI. To finish setting up the plug, click Configure, Configure Module, then select Sonoff S31 from the drop-down and click Save. And finally, select Configuration, Configure Other, and set a device name and friendly name for this smart plug.